go. You try. Everyone say 加油 once again. Everyone say 加油瑞希 1, 2, 3, go. 我的谁现在？Very hard. Okay, I give you a clue. You see, watch carefully. Hey, so pain, so pain, so pain. Hey, no more finger leh. Oh no. Oh. How does it feel? What color is the water inside? White, correct? Now, no color, right? Now, what will happen if she adds a solution inside? What's gonna happen? Okay? Okay, why not make it easier? And you don't need to use the dropper, you just pour straight away inside a little bit. You ready or not? Okay? Just pour a little bit, okay? 3, 2, 1, a little bit. Hey! What color is this? Can we give them a big applause? Thank you so much. Big applause to Loshini and Kelly. Who is scared? Don't be scared. More. A few more. Come on. One more. 1, don't scared. Two more. Okay, and let's see. 3, 2, 1. Let's give him the big round of applause.
Hey, continue. Okay, let me protect my bubbles first. Hurry up, la bubble. Why you not? Ben, don't blow me. Is a fan away yet? Is a fan away yet? 3, 2, wow. Only this side, everyone on that side say wow. Everyone say wow. Okay. But wait. Who here really dislikes this color? Oh, you like blue? It looks like blood. Who doesn't like this color? Okay, why you don't like this color? Huh? But it's the color of roses. Who here likes roses?
I like rose syrup.
Rose syrup. One question. What is ice made of? Water? Do you need to wear safety gloves when you touch ice? No, why not? Oh yes, dry ice. Okay, my second question. What is dry ice made out of? Frozen carbon dioxide is the right answer. Let's give you a big applause. And today, I'll be using frozen dry ice to do some magic. Are you guys ready? Okay, first, who hasn't seen dry ice before? Oh, okay. So this is your treat. Let's go. Okay. You ready to take a look? Wow.